Let's be honest. Nobody enjoys the constant battle with body hair. You're tired of the endless cost of razors and that daily stubble. Today, we're pitting the Epilator against the classic wax to see which one earns a spot in your routine. And stick around, because I'm sharing one essential secret to success that saves you from the biggest mistake people make with both methods. When it comes to the why, the decision comes down to three things: convenience, cost, and the ouch factor. Waxing is the gold standard. It's fast and removes large areas in one pull. But it's messy and costs add up. On the other hand, the Epilator is the ultimate DIY hack. It's a one-time purchase, and it grabs even tiny hairs. But that convenience comes with a trade-off: the unique, intense sensation of the device. Wait. Before you choose, remember that both methods require one thing to avoid ingrowns: consistent exfoliation. So, how do you decide? If you want professional results, waxing is your winner. But if you're a budget-conscious, tech-savvy person who wants to remove hair anytime, the Epilator will change your life. Ultimately, there is no perfect method, only the one that makes your life easier. Which one sounds like the right choice for you? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to MTH Health for more simple, effective beauty and wellness tips. See you in the next one.